Yes, right? But
That's what
the thing
reproduction
is to have a motivation, it has to have some level of cognizance, and it implies a design that there is a thing that is trying to achieve, and you have to collectively have this aim of a bunch of random genes, and they're like, this is not explainable by Darwin's view of just a gene. So like, it's funny because they're not giving up on the sense of this kind of mutation, but it's intentional. And you're like, how could it have intent
because
as an
how
organism?
could it posture above its own station?
Well, yeah.
Right? Like, if it doesn't have the capability, well, it has to have motivation for one, and it has to know that there is better, and then it has to know how to get there.
Right. Genes aren't self-perpetuating or self-preserving, but organisms are at a cellular level, and that can take place and mutate over generations, because generations are just copies of the same cells over and over again.
Right.
That are actually showing a motivation towards survival or towards...
But once again, like, what gets the fish out of the water? What goes, I need legs?
Lack of food and oxygen in the water.
But it doesn't have any idea what a leg is. It doesn't know how to make a leg.
Right.
It doesn't know how to survive once it gets on the land, and then it can't sit there and motivate itself to create a leg. It's like, I want a leg. I'm going to go back to my water, and I'm just going to thunk on it real good, and then a leg will eventually crap out 6 generations down the line.
Right, exactly.
Like, it doesn't have any of the intention, motivation, or ability or knowledge to be able to produce the thing it actually needs.